Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Yellow from Rainbow Friends Chapter 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a long curve down. Then from the top, let's curve it down and out to the right. Then let's close off the bottom with another curve. Next, let's hop inside and draw the eye with a large oval near the bottom. And then another oval inside. And now let's color this one in black. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with a short angle down, and then a longer one on the right, and then a curve across to close off the neck. Now underneath the left side, let's draw an angle down, then a line out from the right, then angle it back down, then close it off at the bottom, forming an angled square shape. Next, underneath on the right, let's draw the first arm. We'll start with a curve down, then an angle down from the top, and then bring it down again. Now from the left line, let's step in and let's draw a curve out to the left like this. And then a curve underneath. Now for the end of the wing, let's draw a curve down and then bring it back up. And that's it for the first arm. Next, let's move back up and finish drawing the torso. Let's draw an angle down in the middle here. And then one more down above the arm on the top right. Next, let's hop over and draw the left wing. On the left side of the body here, let's draw two angled lines down like this. Now for the inside, let's draw a curve up and then down and out. Now for the end, let's draw a pointed V shape. And then one more next to it. And lastly, in between, a small one behind like this. And that's it for the arms. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the wings, let's draw a small angle down. Then let's curve it down. Now let's leave a gap, and on the right, let's draw a curve. And then another curve down. Next at the bottom, let's add the foot. Let's start with a curved V shape, and then one more next to it to close it off. And that's it for the first leg. Next, let's move over to the right and draw the other one. We'll start by drawing an angled line down and then curve it out. And then a long curve down on the right side. And again, let's add the foot in the same way with 2 curved V-shapes. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, for the body, let's add the tail. On the right of the leg here, let's draw a curved line up and then bring it back down. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's move up and draw the propeller on the back. On the top right of the body here, let's start by drawing 2 lines up to the head. And then above the head, let's draw 2 more angled lines, a little bit wider apart like this. And then a curve at the end to close it off. Next, let's draw the blades of the propeller. Let's draw 2 angles down on the right side. And then close it off at the end. Now let's do the same thing on the left, but behind the head. Let's make the bottom line shorter. And now an angle to close off the end. Now let's hop back to the middle and let's draw 1 more propeller going upwards. We'll start with 2 angled lines up and out. And then close off the end with a line across. And that's it for yellow. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!